Hi, and welcome back to the Secret of the Game course. Super excited to finally dive into the field of love life architecture. When we started out the course with lesson one, we talked about intelligence as algorithm building capacity and the application to solve problems. Lesson two talked about status intelligence, the secret of the game, the why behind how to become a high status male, and really the motivation and ambition that's going to drive us to then solve problems in the field of love life architecture. How do we create a fantasy love life for ourselves? And that's the topic of discussion today for lesson three. So we're going to hop right into it. Introducing love life architecture is founded by Love Dynamics here. Love life architecture involves creating magical moments and experiences for women and with yourself with them. It conveys attractive behavior, personality traits, and really is designed to create that fantasy love life for you. So it's about fulfilling your wildest fantasies. And the application of status intelligence to love life architecture is really designed around that. What does your ideal love life look like? Is it Eastern dating or Western dating? What we're going to be talking about, and then it's going to allow us to realize passionate connections between the partner or partners that we choose. One thing we have to take a step back is previously, when we were talking about content in the love life architecture field, really it hyper focused on just the beginning of relationships, which is focusing on pickup. And really love life architecture seeks to broaden the scope of interpersonal relations and dating past just pickup. So pickup is really just a subset of love life architecture, which is a part of status intelligence. And so when we get into love life architecture, it's going to be more than just beginning relationships and getting to the same night lay or, same night sex or however you like to rephrase it. It really goes way past that to creating magical, serendipitous connections and meaningful polarity dynamics with the girl or girls in our life. So when we're talking about understanding status intelligence, we already went into that in lesson two. But getting back into dynamic action and attraction, status intelligence applied to love life architecture involves, the ability to, start attraction, maintain attraction throughout the entire relationship. And what we'll focus on in love life architecture is a concept of polarity. So polarity means, that positive tension, that sexual tension, and that spark and passion that's maintained over time through consistent social, flirting, and physicality. And that's what we're going to be talking about the science of love life architecture about. So when it comes to the overall value of studying love life architecture, it really is about architecting that fantasy love life for yourself. So this is just a shorter lesson just to introduce the topic. We're going to be diving in and we're going to be getting into the science of love life architecture very shortly. So tune in to lesson number 4 soon.